In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the cut tool in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll be able to slice a shape cleanly and move the separated piece exactly where you want it, all with just a few simple actions. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer. If you already have a document ready, go ahead and open it. Otherwise, create a new one and add a shape or graphic you'd like to work with. It helps to select the object you plan to cut so Affinity knows which layer you want to modify. If you're working with multiple layers, glance at the Layers panel to confirm the correct one is active before you begin. Next, look to the toolbar on the left and choose the Knife tool. The icon looks like a small blade, and it's designed to slice vector shapes into separate pieces. Once it's active, you'll see your cursor change to indicate you're in cutting mode. If you're zoomed out, consider zooming in a bit so your cut line is accurate. Clean cuts start with good visibility. Now make your cut. Click and drag across the shape along the path where you want to separate it. A smooth, confident stroke usually yields the best results. Be sure your stroke passes across the edges of the shape so it fully divides the object. If your line doesn't cross the boundary, the shape may not split. If you need precision, take your time, zoom closer, and follow the contour you want. When you release the mouse, Affinity Designer will slice the object into distinct parts. After the cut, double-click the portion you just separated. This ensures you've selected that exact piece on its own, not the entire original object. You'll see selection handles appear around the piece, confirming it's isolated and ready to move independently. Switch to the Move tool. This is the main selection arrow at the top of the toolbar. The Move tool lets you reposition, transform, and align objects. With it active, your separated piece becomes fully editable in terms of placement. Finally, drag the piece to a new location, pull it slightly away to confirm the cut, or place it precisely where you want it in your layout. If you want a straight, clean move along one axis, drag while keeping your movement horizontal or vertical, and use snapping guides for alignment. For fine adjustments, zoom in and nudge carefully. When you release, your cut piece stays exactly where you placed it. That's all there is to it. Open, select the Knife tool, cut, double-click the piece, switch to Move, and drag. Practice a few times, and you'll be slicing shapes with confidence.